Today we are going to discuss all specs related to Asus Tuf F15 laptop. We are going to discuss about everything related to laptops such as battery, display, CPU, GPU, integrated GPU, performance of this laptop, all ports for example HDMI, Type-C, so on, so stay with us. First and foremost, come on my dear friends, let's check out packaging of Asus Tuf F15. So this laptop comes in a moderate type of a cardboard packaging. On right hand side of packaging there is Asus logo. As well as in front there is Tuf Gaming logo and honeycomb design in bottom left and right side. On the ceiling there is Asus branding. Moreover on the handle, which is plastic, there is Asus branding. In addition, it is easy to carry laptop with help of handle. At back side of laptop, price mentioned is Rs1, locks 10,990. I bought this laptop from South Exkrama. Moreover, model number and specification of laptop is mentioned here. There is no protection inside of packaging such as thermocol or caution. So, risk of damage is more to your laptop. Please take care while purchasing laptop that there is no damage or cracks on your laptop. You can pause the video and check out the specification and details of laptop. Also you can take screenshot if interested. Asus Tuf F15 laptop comes in two design: gun, metal gray and bonfire black. In gun metal gray design, its top lid made of metal. But if talking about bonfire black design, it is totally made up of plastic. There is a fact that plastic is very good for emission of any type of heat, as compared to laptop of made up of totally metal.
When opening the laptop box, there is a sticker inside the laptop box to customize your laptop. Also you can go for aftermarket customization. Let's check what all we get in the laptop box. There is a honeycomb design inside laptop box. At bottom, as it is clearly seen that there is a paperwork, which gives the details of all the ports supported by the laptop. There is a power adapter of 150 watt in the box, as well as a cord to connect power adapter. These are all the accessory found in the laptop box. You can check it out. Laptop works on operating system Windows 10 Home. Processor come with 8-core 16 threads powered by AMD Ryzen 7 4800H processor, 2.9 GHz lowest boost and up to 4.2 GHz highest boost, and 8 M cache. If talking about what is the weight, 2.30 kg. The laptop top lid is made of metal and the other body part is made up of plastic, which is better for heat exhaust and keep the laptop cool, as we know that heat is generated very much by GPU and CPU. On the body there is a TUF gaming logo design and 4 indicator. First indicator is for the laptop is running. The second indicator shows the power supply is connected or not. In the third indicator shows the flight mode of the laptop. If talking about fingerprint, it is not at all caught by laptop on its body easily. There is very small bezel on screen left and right side as compared very big bezel at bottom, which is very large. Extra plastic design is given on top of the camera to open the laptop easily. There are very small bezels at right and left side of the laptop as compared to the biggest bezel in the bottom of the laptop screen. Also, there is a Asus logo in the bottom of the screen. 720p camera is provided, which is of moderate quality, not over very good quality. Also, there is a 15.6 inches with 1080p resolution. With approximately 45% of NTSC and 45% of sRGB. As well as with 144 Hz display which supports adaptive sync. Response time of the display is very low as compared to other laptops, which is 0.21 milliseconds. As well as YouTube video sports, 4K resolution. It is very easy to open it with one hand as you can see in the video, but you will not be able to rotate it more than 180 degrees. It cannot be rotated more than 45 degrees. Also it comes with military grade certification. Graphics supported is NVIDIA GTX 1650 Ti GPU up to 1485 MHz with 50W 6GB GDDR6 as well as Aura RGB keyboard. RAM supports up to 3200 MHz. HDMI 2.0B which supports 4K at 60 Hz connected with integrated GPU of AMD. It is clearly seen that DEEPTECH speaker are not loud enough. Self-cleaning fan are provided, but you have to clean all dust in fan in a year, for better performance. Now talking about the keyboard of the laptop, which has small arrow keys as compared to massive space bar. Asus says keyboard is chiclet type as well as WASD, button are in white color. There is also a dedicated power button. Asus TUF claims each key is durable enough to withstand over 20 million presses for superb long-term reliability and precision. As you can see that metal build is given around the keyboard which is alluring and shines in reflection of lights. Moreover, honeycomb design helps in exhaust of heat through keyboard, also while heavy tasks are running. Also, there is small vent on top of keyboard layout. With the help of Asus Armory Create software you can customize Aura RGB of keyboard, as well as brightness, color, and effects of Aura RGB. Now you can check out RGB as displayed on your screen. Also, Aura RGB of keyboard has one zone RGB and 3 different level of brightness can be controlled through function plus arrow key. As you can see, there are 2 DEEPTECH certified speakers on bottom right and left of laptop. These speakers are not loud enough like other laptop speakers. Also you can see Windows certification logo. So, at the back side of the laptop honeycomb design is provided and all the material used is plastic at the back, which is better for heat release. Now talking about honeycomb design gives very alluring and gaming looks which is not found in competitor's laptop. So now when you open the cover of laptop you will find the above given layout, the location of RAM, SSD, HDD for upgrade of the laptop's components itself. Now if talking about the ports, 2x USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A port at left side of laptop, in addition, USB 2.0, Type A, on other side of laptop, USB 3.2 Gen 2, Type C, which also supports DisplayPort 1.4, and HDMI 2.0B, which supports 4K at 60 Hz, 3.5mm headphone or mic jack. So, now if talking about the RAM of laptop. The RAM of the laptop is SDRAM with module of 260 pin, DDR4, 8 GB, which supports 3200 MHz. If you want to buy SDRAM to upgrade to 16 GB, you can go to Amazon.com and buy ADATA RAM, which supports 3200 MHz. I will give link in the description. If now, talking about storage of the laptop, it comes with 500 GB SSD and 1 TB HDD. Also, in addition, you can also upgrade SSD of the laptop, or if you have additional slot, you can put additional SSD in your laptop. The reading and writing speed of the SSD is given in the benchmark ahead. You can follow the video till benchmark part of video starts. So moreover, in this laptop, old PCIe Gen 3 is provided, as well as Wi-Fi 5. But latest Bluetooth 5.1 is there with amazing performance while connected to any Bluetooth device. So, now I have performed 10 benchmark test on Asus Tuf F15 laptop with Ryzen 7 4800H and GTX 1650 Ti. Let's start with Blender. Now you can see the displayed Blender performance, which completed full test in 1 hour 1 minute 37 seconds. This benchmark ranks in top 81% of the benchmark which ran the same scene in Blender. Second benchmark was performed on platform called Basemark. The result was as displayed on the screen, 935.32. Cinebench R23 result shows both multi-score 10,067 and single-core score 1,135. On the platform of the Geekbench 5 score of single core 1088 and as well as multi-core 4311. I have also performed Geekbench 5 score on GPU CUDA score, which is 45,362. Now, let's talk about Crystal Info benchmark. Both SSD 500 GB and 1 TB HDD. You can watch displayed Crystal Info scores on your screen. In addition, if talking about crystal mark, that was also performed on both 1TB HDD and 500GB SSD. Moreover, now, you can check the display ghosting, rate pixel per frame, pixel per second and frame rates now. The minimum latency of the keyboard was seen, 11 milliseconds. GFX RAM speed benchmark was also tested. The results are on your screen. This was related to 8GB RAM installed in laptop. Down TDP and up TDP as well as typical TDP is provided on the display. You can check it out. At last you can see 3D mark, scores and performance. If you think this video was useful, then subscribe the channel. Also comment down below any mistakes related to the video so that I can improve in future. Now in future you will find content related to PC, mobile phones, automotives, electronics, laptop, monitor, Adobe Photoshop, Premiere Pro, Blender and a lot. So, please make sure to get all updates by subscribing the channel. Thank you for being till last of the video. I will provide all links in description.